In my previous video, I had introduced you the chapter endocrine system. There I had told you, according to your syllabus, there are 4 endocrine glands: adrenal glands, pancreas, pituitary gland and thyroid gland. Today I am explaining you about adrenal gland. As I had told you that about each gland, you have to learn about the location, the shape and the function of that particular gland. This adrenal gland is located just above the kidneys. There are 2 kidneys and these adrenal glands are located or present or situated above the kidneys. So there are 2 adrenal glands. Each adrenal gland, now what is the shape? Shape is just like a cap. So they are like cap on each kidney. So location is above the kidney and shape is like a cap. Each adrenal gland has 2 parts. The outer part is called cortex and inner part is called medulla. Both cortex and medulla, they secrete different types of hormones. Cortex secrete hormones which are called corticoids, or together they are called cortisol. Medulla secretes adrenaline and noradrenaline, mainly adrenaline hormone. So different parts will be secreting different hormones. Now let's see this medulla part which is secreting adrenaline hormone. What are the functions of adrenaline hormone? This adrenaline hormone is also known as emergency hormone. This is also called flight or fight hormone. This hormone will be secreted in more amount under certain emotional stress, or if a person is excited, or if a person is angry. So under these conditions, adrenaline hormone will be secreted in more amount. This adrenaline hormone, it works or it is stimulated by the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system will stimulate this adrenal gland to secrete more adrenaline. Now what are the functions of this adrenaline hormone? Now target organ of this adrenaline hormone will be heart. So when this adrenaline hormone under certain situations or conditions like emotional stress or any other condition, this adrenaline hormone will be secreted. As you know, this is a hormone and secreted by adrenal gland, which are ductless gland. Adrenaline will be poured directly into the blood. And what will it do? These are the functions of adrenaline. So first it will increase the heartbeat, because heart is the target organ. So heartbeat will be increased. Secondly, it will increase blood supply to the muscles and it will decrease blood supply to the internal organs. Next function is it will release more glucose into the blood. More glucose, then more oxidation of that glucose will take place, because when heartbeat will increase, breathing will automatically increase. More oxygen will be given to the blood and glucose and oxidation will take place, releasing more energy. This energy is required by the person under emergency situation. So these are the functions of adrenaline. Moreover, as I have told you that this adrenaline hormone will be stimulated due to sympathetic nervous system. So it will increase, effect of adrenaline are to increase the heartbeat, as I have told you, and this will be working under the influence of sympathetic nervous system. Now we'll come to the next part, cortex, the outer part, the peripheral part of adrenal gland. The corticoids hormones are secreted by cortex. Mainly 2 types of hormones are secreted by cortex. One is called mineralocorticoid and the other is called glucocorticoid. Now their functions are different. As you can see, mineralocorticoid means it will regulate the metabolism of minerals, especially sodium and potassium minerals. So mineralocorticoid secreted by cortex part of adrenal gland. These will regulate the metabolism of sodium and potassium. And glucocorticoid will regulate the metabolism of carbohydrate, fat and proteins. Besides that, some hormones, that means some cortical hormones, they act as sex corticoids also. Sex corticoids, now what is their function? If these cortical hormones, they are released in more amount, that means overgrowth of adrenal cortex takes place, especially in women. So they will develop certain male characters. They will develop male characters if these sex corticoids or cortical adrenal cortex will overgrow. And as a result, these females, they will have certain male characters such as beards, such as mustaches, and they will have deep male voice. This phenomenon, this condition is known as adrenal virilism. So what is adrenal virilism? Adrenal virilism is a condition in women due to overgrowth of adrenal cortex. And similarly, if this overgrowth takes place in men, mature men, then they will develop some feminine characters such as enlargement of breast. Finally, children, now we should know that what will happen if there will be hyposecretion of cortical hormones or hypersecretion of cortical hormones. Hypo means less secretion of cortical hormones. So if there will be less secretion of adrenal cortex, that means the hormones, then people will develop a disease that is known as Addison's disease. This is known as Addison. So Addison's disease is caused due to hyposecretion of adrenal, that is cortex, adrenal cortex. In this disease, what happens? Loss of energy, there will be skin pigmentation, there will be loss of weight, there will be hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia means, hypo means less, glycemia means glucose. So there will be less sugar, and this is the reason why they have loss of energy. Then what will happen if there is hypersecretion of this adrenal cortex? Hypersecretion means more secretion of adrenal cortex will cause Cushing's syndrome. This is known as Cushing's syndrome. Now, what is this Cushing's syndrome? Reason is due to hypersecretion of adrenal cortex, and in this disease, the symptoms are obesity. Symptoms will be just opposite of Addison's disease. So here, obesity, a person will gain weight. Hyperglycemia. Hyperglycemia means there will be more sugar in the blood. Osteoporosis also can take place. Osteo means bones. Porosis means degeneration of bones. Bones, they become weak. And salt and water also retains, that means start collecting in the body, and due to this the body gains weight. So this is all about the adrenal glands. In my next video, I will be telling you about next endocrine gland.